First up, we have the TOLESA PVC pipe cutter, a tool designed to take the strain out of repetitive cutting tasks. Its standout feature is the 3-gear adjustable ratcheting mechanism, which significantly increases leverage so you can slice through PVC, CPVC, and PEX pipes with minimal hand fatigue. The SK5 steel blade is razor-sharp and durable, ensuring a clean, burr-free cut every single time you clamp down. It is built for heavy-duty use but feels surprisingly lightweight, making it perfect for long days on the job site where efficiency is key. The locking hook at the bottom keeps the tool compact and safe when it is bouncing around in your bag. Whether you are a professional plumber or a serious DIYer, this cutter offers the precision you need without the hand cramps you hate. Next is the ZOMIYU pipe extractor set, a lifesaver when you are dealing with the nightmare of broken threaded pipes. This 6-piece heavy-duty set is engineered from high-quality steel to grip and remove damaged fittings from 1/8 of an inch, all the way up to 1 inch. The dual-tooth design bites hard into stripped or broken screws and pipes, allowing you to back them out without damaging the surrounding threads. It comes in a durable storage case that keeps everything organized, so you are not digging for the right size in an emergency. Ideally suited for mechanics and plumbers alike, this set turns a potential disaster into a quick 5-minute fix. It is the kind of insurance policy you want in your kit before you actually need it. Milwaukee is changing the game again with the M18 Fuel Ringer Roll Groover, the industry's first cordless solution for roll grooving. This beast eliminates the need for power cords and stationary setups, allowing you to groove pipes right at the point of installation. Compatible with the M18 battery platform, it offers the power to groove up to 4-inch Schedule 40 pipe with the speed and consistency you expect from fuel technology. The setup is incredibly fast, and the tool is balanced perfectly to reduce user fatigue during overhead or awkward applications. It features an integrated depth gauge that locks in for repeatable accuracy, ensuring every groove meets the spec without constant measuring. For commercial plumbers and sprinkler fitters, this tool represents total freedom on the job site. When you need to seal a line with absolute confidence, the Oatey Gripper mechanical test plug is the industry standard. Designed for 3-inch pipes, this plug features a heavy-duty ABS glass-reinforced polymer body that will not rust or corrode over time. The natural rubber O-ring expands effortlessly to create a leak-proof seal, making it perfect for testing drain, waste, and vent systems up to 17 psi. Its gripper design ensures it stays exactly where you put it, preventing blowouts that could ruin your day and your pressure test. The oversized wing nut makes tightening the plug simple, even if you are wearing wet or slippery gloves. It is a simple, reusable, and reliable solution for blocking off pipes during testing or long-term maintenance. The RIDGID RP115 Micro Press Tool is the smallest and lightest press tool on the market, designed specifically for tight residential spaces. Weighing only 2.9 pounds, it offers effortless one-handed operation, allowing you to press fittings in cabinets or cramped corners where other tools just won't fit. It delivers 3,400 pounds of ram force, capable of pressing 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch copper and PEX fittings in just seconds. The head swivels 210 degrees, giving you the flexibility to attack a connection from almost any angle without contorting your body. Powered by a 12-volt lithium-ion battery, it provides enough runtime for a full day of service calls. It is the ultimate combination of agility and power for the modern service plumber. The AegisTorq integrated pipe threading tool is a dual-function powerhouse that handles both internal and external threading in one device. This electric drill-compatible tool saves you from carrying heavy manual die sets, letting your power tool do the hard work for you. It covers standard 1/2 inch and 3/4 inch sizes, making it versatile enough for the most common PVC plumbing repairs and conduit installations. The precision-engineered cutting edges ensure clean, uniform threads that seal perfectly, reducing the risk of leaks in your finished work. Its compact design allows you to rethread pipes in place, which is a massive time saver compared to cutting out and replacing entire sections. It is a smart, efficient addition to any plumber's bag for quick threading tasks. Stop replacing expensive fittings and start saving them with the Blekoo 9-piece PVC pipe Reamer kit. This set allows you to drill out glued pipe from inside a fitting, leaving the socket clean and ready for a fresh connection. Covering sizes from 1/2 inch all the way up to 4 inches, it features a dual-blade technology that removes material faster and smoother than single-blade competitors. The carbide inserts are 4-sided, meaning you can rotate them for a fresh edge, extending the life of the tool significantly. It fits standard 1/2-inch drills and works on schedule 40 PVC, CPVC, and ABS, making it universally useful. This kit pays for itself the first time you salvage a hard-to-find valve or a flange embedded in concrete. For cutting composite and plastic pipes, the Knipex 90-25-25 is in a league of its own. It features a freely rotating cutting wheel that significantly reduces friction, allowing the blade to glide through thick, multi-layer pipes with minimal effort. This design prevents the pipe from deforming or crushing, ensuring a perfectly round end that is ready for fitting immediately. It can handle diameters up to 26 millimeters, slicing through aluminum composite layers that would dull standard blades in minutes. The wide support jaws keep the pipe square to the blade for a perfect right-angle cut every time. Typical of Knipex, the build quality is exceptional, offering a tool that feels precise, durable, and satisfying to use. The AegisTorq pipe inside cutter is the secret weapon for cutting pipes that are flush with the floor or hidden inside walls. Equipped with a diamond grit cutting wheel, this tool attaches to any standard drill and cuts from the inside out with incredible speed. The adjustable depth guide ensures you do not cut too deep and damage the fitting, giving you control even when you cannot see the blade. It includes unmatched versatility with a range suitable for 1.5-inch up to 8-inch pipes, making it ideal for large drainage systems. The stainless steel construction resists corrosion, and the hex shank guarantees a secure grip in your drill chuck. It is the perfect problem solver for flange repairs and tight renovations. Meet the Plum Shark, the ultimate keychain companion that packs 10 essential plumbing functions into one shark-shaped design. Made from heat-treated stainless steel, this little tool includes a radiator bleed key, a gas meter key, and spanners for drain-off valves and gate valves. It also features a box opener and a bottle opener for when the job is finally done, making it as convenient as it is functional. It saves you those annoying trips back to the van just to grab a simple key or wrench for a small task. The compact profile fits right in your pocket, ensuring you are always ready for a quick fix or diagnostic check. It is a brilliant everyday carry item for heating engineers and DIYer alike. When precision welding is on the schedule, the DC-25 and DC-65 orbital-facing machines are essential for perfect tube preparation. These machines are designed to face and square the ends of tubes to microscopic tolerances, ensuring a flawless fit-up for orbital welding. They remove burrs and create a perfectly flat surface, which is critical for high-purity industries like semiconductor or pharmaceutical piping. The tools are portable and easy to clamp onto the tube, providing a machine shop quality finish right in the field. They cover a wide range of diameters, making them versatile for various project requirements. If your work demands zero-defect welds, these facing machines are the first step to success. The Rothenberger RO Cut 26 MSR is designed specifically for the clean cutting of multi-layer composite pipes up to 26 millimeters. Its unique blade geometry pierces the pipe with pinpoint accuracy before slicing through, preventing the crushing effect common with cheaper cutters. The magnesium body is incredibly light yet durable, reducing the weight in your tool belt without sacrificing strength. A safety locking mechanism keeps the sharp stainless steel blade protected when not in use. It delivers a cut so clean that you often do not need to calibrate or deburr the pipe before inserting a fitting. For heating and water system installers working with MSR pipe, this tool offers speed and precision in one click. Victaulic revolutionizes fire protection installation with the Firelock Style 009V installation-ready rigid coupling. This coupling arrives pre-assembled, meaning there are no loose nuts or bolts to drop, and no need to disassemble it before installation. You simply push it onto the grooved pipe and tighten it down, reducing installation steps and time by up to 50%. The visual confirmation of metal-to-metal bolt pad contact gives installers confidence that the joint is properly secured. It is designed for high-pressure fire suppression systems where reliability is non-negotiable. This push, tighten, done workflow changes the economics of large-scale sprinkler installs. Prep work is everything in soldering, and the KimGaSoak copper pipe cleaner speeds it up dramatically. This tool attaches to your power drill and uses heavy-duty stainless steel bristles to scour the inside and outside of copper fittings in seconds. It covers 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch pipes, replacing the tedious hand sanding process that tires out your wrists. The hex shank ensures a non-slip connection to your drill, allowing you to clean dozens of fittings in the time it takes to do one by hand. It creates the perfect scored surface for solder to adhere to, ensuring leak-free joints. For any plumber facing a whole house repipe, this simple attachment is a massive labor saver. The Holdley Angle Stop Wrench Kit addresses one of the most annoying tasks in plumbing, wrestling with compression angle stops in tight cabinets. This professional-grade tool is specifically shaped to grip the compression nut and the valve body simultaneously, giving you the leverage you need without stripping the finish. It works on new installations and is tough enough to remove old, corroded compression rings that refuse to budge. The slim profile fits easily behind toilets and under sinks where standard wrenches struggle to get a grip. It adapts to different sizes of angle stops, making it a versatile addition to your finished plumbing kit. It turns a knuckle-busting struggle into a smooth, professional installation. The Value Max 2-piece strap wrench set is the versatile solution for gripping polished or irregular objects without damaging them. The set includes a large and a small wrench, both featuring durable rubber straps that grip tightly around pipes, filters, and fittings up to 6 inches in diameter. The reinforced plastic handles are lightweight but tough, allowing you to apply significant torque without scratching chrome or plastic surfaces. These are essential for installing shower heads, polished traps, or opening stubborn jar lids when you are off the clock. The strap design conforms to any shape, making it useful for automotive and household tasks beyond just plumbing. It is the gentle giant of gripping tools. Installing Henko fittings just got easier with the Henko PK and SK mounting wrench. This lightweight ratchet key is designed to grip the specific profile of Henko PK and SK fittings, ensuring a secure hold without slipping. The plastic body protects the fitting from scratches, while the anodized aluminum jaws deliver maximum torque transmission for a tight seal. It works in both clockwise and counterclockwise directions, making it perfect for both installation and disassembly. The handle clearly indicates the size, and the unique closing mechanism allows you to grip around fittings that are already mounted. It is a specialized tool that guarantees a professional finish on Henko systems. Oatey Flexible Plumber's Putty is the trusted classic for setting faucets, sink frames, and strainers. This professional-grade compound remains flexible and will not crack, shrink, or harden over time, ensuring a watertight seal that lasts for years. It is compatible with most plumbing fixtures and creates a reliable barrier against leaks without making a permanent mess. The putty is easy to handle and mold, allowing for quick application and clean removal of excess material. Unlike cheaper alternatives, it does not stain most surfaces, keeping your installations looking pristine. It is the reliable, old-school staple that every plumber keeps in the top of their toolbox. The Crassus Combi Adapter CKA is a problem-solving marvel for connecting waste pipes of different materials and diameters. Made from durable TPE, this adapter can bridge the gap between cast iron, PVC, and clay pipes with ease, handling pressure up to 0.5 bar. It is suitable for concealed installation and even underground use, thanks to its UV and weather-resistant properties. The internal design reduces noise, making it a great choice for residential drainage stacks where silence is golden. It offers a huge range of combination possibilities, meaning you can carry fewer fittings in the van while solving more problems. It is the ultimate get-out-of-jail-free card for drainage connections. Finally, we have the Rothenberger RoCam Mini HD, a cutting-edge inspection camera that brings high definition to pipe diagnostics. It features a stunning 7-inch touchscreen that makes viewing and marking blockages intuitive and fast. Now compatible with the AMP Share battery system, it shares power with your other 18-volt tools, ensuring you never run out of juice on a job. The accompanying app allows you to live stream the inspection to a smartphone or tablet, so you can show the customer exactly what the problem is in real time. With a 22-meter cable and optimized flexibility, it navigates 90-degree bends effortlessly. It is not just a camera. It is a complete documentation system for the modern professional. There you have it. 20 tools to upgrade your plumbing game. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Hit like, subscribe to Top Tech Tools, and we will see you in the next video.